Hey guys, it's Kyla, and if you guys want to stay tuned to know how I maintain my perm, please keep on watching. Bear with me, y'all. There's gonna be my first voiceover. So you rinse your hair. And this is the Pantene Curl Perfection shampoo I use for my hair. And I didn't have that much left, so bear with me, y'all. And this is the conditioner, the same brand. And I put a lot of amount because my hair is really thick. I mostly put the conditioner at the bottom of my hair because it's easier for me to brush it out later on. I use this diamond brush just to untangle any knots on my hair. Also, it's easier for me to comb right after. After brushing my hair, I use this wide tooth comb just to smooth out my curls. And it also detangles my hair. Quick tip, I put my hair down like this and I brush more, and it helps my hair grow faster. Just scrunch right after you comb. Right after I take a shower, I still scrunch up my hair with my towel so my curls can be still curly. Also, you would want to air dry your hair right after. Right after you take a shower, and make sure your hair is kind of damped. Mine is like a little bit damped, but it's okay. But these are the products I'd be using after taking a shower. I use this this Cantu coconut curling cream. This is what I use, so I get like a good amount for my hair because my hair is pretty long. I get like this much, and then I just rub it together, and I just separately like put it like on my hair, like directly on my hair. It's going downwards. So you're just basically going down, down, down. And for me, I really love how my hair is really long. So I like that kind of wet look, kind of. So since my hair is kind of thick as well, I still put some more cream and put it more on my hair, just like that. And then I do the other side of my hair. So the same amount. So like this much. I like that natural like wet look once I apply this on my hair. Yeah. And then for the ends, I just crunch it like this. And then I grab a little bit of, like I usually get, if there's like more axes on the lid, I just put some on my fingers like so. Then I just put it only on my fingers, and then I do this to my top part of my hair just to make it look more curlier. So, and then I do this. And then yeah, so it's basically what I do for my perm. My hair is really long, as you can see. It's pretty long. It's really long, but I still maintain it. And then I like to put a little bit of volume, so I just go like this. And because my hair is thick, it gets volume, a lot of volume right after I do this. So yeah. And then right after that, I use this hair insurance leave-in conditioner spray by Aussie, I think that's what it's called. I use this and then I just spray on my hair. And it smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, it's just like, it just smells so good. So I just spray on my hair like so. So since my hair is really long, I just keep spraying. And then at the ends, because my hair is really long, like I said, I just keep crunching up, crunching it, scrunching it, and yeah. So that's what I do for my hair. And I just spray more on the other side. But yeah, just scrunch it. And yeah, that's what I do for my hair. And yeah, it looks really cute. And it still looks kind of wet. And I like that kind of look because, you know, well, this two products that I use works for me. So all these things I've done only works for me. So if you guys want to,
did you guys hear that? I'm scared. I don't know what was that, guys, and I didn't do that.
try, you guys can. And yeah, so yeah, that's what I do for my hair. And yeah.
Okay.
And that is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below any ideas what to post next. See you guys soon.